Children, just now we have seen two examples based on area of a triangle. Now let us see some more important formulae. Up till now we have studied area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Next formula, area of a rhombus, this also been over, is equal to what? Area of rhombus is equal to half into product of lengths of diagonals. Area of a trapezium is equal to what? Half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. Now, if sides of triangle ABC are A, B and C, then by Heron's formula for finding the area of a triangle is as follows. So, area of triangle ABC is equal to what? Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where what is S? S is the semi-perimeter. And what is the formula for finding the semi-perimeter? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So these formulas up till now we have seen. Now let us see practice set 15.4. First question. Sides of a triangle are 45 centimeter, 39 centimeter and 43 centimeter. Find its area. Let's see the solution. Here A is equal to 45 centimeter, B is equal to 39 centimeter, C is equal to 42 centimeter. So now take the triangle ABC. What we'll have? Semi-perimeter S is equal to what? A plus B plus C upon 2. Substitute the values for A, B and C. So 45 plus 39 plus 42 upon 2. So what we get? In this way, if you add all the three numbers, we will get 126 upon 2 is equal to 63. So S is equal to what? 63. Now substituting the value of S in the formula area of a triangle. Area of triangle is equal to what? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So substitute now 63 under root 63 into 63 minus 45 into 63 minus 39 into 63 minus 42. Okay. After subtracting, what we will get? Under root 63 into 63 minus 45 is 18. So multiplied by 18. Now 63 minus 39 is 24. So multiply it with 24. And 63 minus 42 is 21. So multiply it with 21. Now after the multiplication, find the factors. So under root, what are the factors of 63? 9 into 7. Then 18 factors are 2 into 9. Then 24 factors are 2 into 4 into 3. And 21 factors are 3 into 7. We have to factorize these numbers in such a way so that we can get the square of the numbers. So now we get here 9 square, then 2 square, then 7 square, then again 2 square and then 3 square. Now taking out square root and the square, it get cancelled and we have the numbers 9 into 2 into 7 into 2 into 3. So answer is 756 square centimeter. This is the area of the triangle, 756 square centimeter. In this way, we can find the area of a triangle when three sides are given. Let us see second question. Look at the measure shown in the adjacent figure and find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. So the quadrilateral PQRS is given in the figure and some sides are given. Okay. So using the sides, we will find the area of one by one. We will take two triangles. In triangle PSR, first we will take triangle PSR. Major angle S is equal to what? 90 degree. So when one angle is 90 degree, you can use the Pythagoras theorem because the third side will be the hypotenuse side. So length PR square is the longest side. So length PR square is equal to what? Length PS square plus length SR square. Okay. Now put up the value for PS and SR. PS is what? 36 square and SR is 15. So 15 square. 36 square plus 15 square is equal to what? 1296 plus 225. That is equal to 1521. So it is a square. Length PR square is 1521. So what is length PR? Length PR is under root 1521, that is equal to 39 meter. Okay. So we get now length PR. Now here we know PQ, we know QR also, and just now we have found PR. So all the three sides are given. So to find the area of PQR, we can use this formula. Okay, but first of all we have to find the area of triangle PSR. Just now we have found length PR. So area of triangle PSR is half into base into height. So base is what? SR, and height is what? PS. So half into SR into PS, that is half into 15 into 36, that is equal to 270 meter square. In this way we have found now area of triangle PSR as 270 meter square. Now we will find area of triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, what is S? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So that is 25 plus 56 plus 39 upon 2. Okay, that is 120 upon 2, which is equal to 60 meter. So we get S as 60 meter. So area of triangle PQR is equal to what? Under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. That is under root 60 into 60 minus 25, then 60 minus 56, then 60 minus 39. So after subtraction, what you will get? 60 into 35 into 4 into 21. Now let us factorize these numbers. What are the factors of 60? 5 into 4 into 3. Then 35 factors are 5 into 7. And 4 is as it is. And 21 factors are 3 into 7. Now we will arrange these numbers in such a way so that they will be the square. So 5 into 5, then 4 into 4, then 3 into 3, and 7 into 7. So the square and square root get cancelled, and we have, when 2 5 are there, so we will take out 1 5, then 2 4 are there, so 4, 2 3 are there, so 3, and 7 are 2, so 7, so 1. So 1 factors we will take and multiply it. So answer is 420 square meter. So from 1 and 2, what we have? We will add those two areas. Area of quadrilateral PQRS is equal to area of triangle PSR plus area of triangle PQR. These two triangles area we will add to find the area of quadrilateral PQRS. So now PSR is 270 square meter plus triangle PQR area is 420 square meter. So if you add these two areas, what you will get? 690 square meter. Therefore, area of quadrilateral PQRS is 690 square meter. Now let us see third example. Some measures are given in the adjacent figure. Find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So first of all, we will see one by one. There are how many triangles? This is one triangle, and one triangle we will take this. So it is a 90-degree angle. Major angle A is 90 degree. So we can find the area of this triangle. Now triangle BAD is a right angle triangle and major angle A is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. So what will be the area of triangle BAD? Half into base into height. That is, base is also, we have 9 meter and height is also 40 meter. So half into 9 into 40. What we will have? 180 square meter. If you cancel 40 with 2, you will get 20, and 9 into 20 is 180. So we get area of triangle BAD is 180. Now we will find area of triangle BCD, this triangle. Okay, this will be a right angle triangle again, because height is given BT and CD is the base. So area of triangle BCD is half into base into height, which is equal to half into base is what? 60 and height is 13. So 60 into 13. Now if you cancel this 60 with 2, you will get 30, and 13 into 3, 30 is 390 square meter. Now add both the areas to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So area of quadrilateral ABCD is area of triangle BAD plus area of triangle BCD. That is 180 plus 390. It is equal to 570 square meter. Okay, so area is 570 square meter. Okay children, now area of figure having irregular shape. Up till now we have seen regular shapes. So irregular shape, if the figure is given, how to find the area? Generally the plots, fields, etc. are of the shape of irregular polygons. These polygons can be divided into triangles and specific quadrilaterals and can find its area. So such type of plots are given, and to find the area we will take one by one triangle. So here is the example. Adjacent figure is a polygon ABCDE. All given measures are in meters. Find the area of the given figure. So one by one we will take area of triangle AQB. AQB. Then area of triangle, first of all triangle ERD. ERD. There are two triangles. They are right angle triangles. And quadrilateral AQRE. AQRE. This is what? It is a trapezium and we know the formula for trapezium. Then base and height of triangle BCD. BCD. This triangle. Base is given as BD is base and height is PC. So they are also given. So let us find the area of each figure. First of all, which triangle you will take? AQB. So area of triangle AQB is half into base into height. Here what is base? BQ is base and height is AQ. So half into BQ is 10 and AQ in the figure it is not given, but AQ is given as 13. AQ is 13. So here AQ is 13. So if you cancel 10 with 2, you will get 5 and 13 5s are 65 square meter. Now the next triangle we will take ERD. Area of triangle ERD is equal to half into again base into height, which is base here. RD is base and height is ER. So RD is base and ER is height. So half into base is 16 into height is 17. That is 136 square meter. So we get both the areas. Now area of trapezium AQRE is equal to what? Half into sum of the lengths of parallel sides into height. So parallel sides are AE and QR. Okay. Parallel sides are these are not parallel, AQ and ER. Okay, these two are parallel. Now if it is a trapezium, parallel sides are AQ and ER, we will add these two sides. So AQ plus ER into height is what? This QR is the height. If these two are parallel sides, QR is the height. So in this way substitute the value in the area. Area of trapezium AQRE is half into sum of the parallel sides AQ plus ER into height is QR. So AQ is 13 and ER is 17. So add this multiplied by height. What is the height? 12 plus 15. How? See, this QR is given here 12 and here 15. So 12 plus 15 we will take in the height. Then half into 13 plus 17 is 30 and 12 plus 15 is 27. So cancel 30 with 2, you will get 15. 15 into 27 is 405 square meter. In this way we get 3 areas. Now length BD is equal to what? Complete length BD. Here is BD. See, this complete BD is what? BQ plus QR plus RD. Complete. So here we will take all the addition. BD is equal to BP plus PD, that is 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 16 is equal to 53. So total is 53 meter. Now we will find the area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle BCD is what? Half into base into height. Base is BD now and height is PC. So half into 53 into 10, that is equal to 265 square meter. In this way the complete polygon is what? Area of polygon ABCDE is equal to what? Area of triangle AQB plus area of trapezium AQRE plus area of triangle ERD plus area of triangle BCD. So 4 areas we have found now up till here, and we will substitute. So 65 plus 405 plus 136 plus 265, all the areas have been added and the total is 871 square meter. Area of polygon ABCD is what? 871 square meter. Children, up till now you will finish here up to this part, and we will see the next part in the next period. Till then, complete your work. Thank you.